I bought a product that is ranked 1 million in the clothing category. And surprisingly, I actually bought this product on purpose. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining why I decided to buy a product that is ranked 1 million. What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time Amazon seller, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining and breaking down step by step the thought process behind why I decided to purchase this item I have right behind me. It's an Adidas hoodie. It's a woman's hoodie, like a peach color. Pretty popular little design, just the regular Adidas logo. And I actually decided to purchase this product. It's retail price of $60 here, and I got 70% off, so I paid 18 bucks for this, but the caveat is it is ranked 1 million in the clothing category. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, a million ranked product, that is absolutely horrible. And in most cases you are right. If a product is usually ranked 1 million, it's been ranked the whole entire life cycle. It's been on Amazon. That would be a product that I would normally stay away from. But there were a few key data points that I discovered on this product that's ranked 1 million that kind of persuaded me into buying this product. So that's what I want to go over in this video. So when you guys are out there sourcing, you can identify opportunities even on products that are ranked 1 million, because a lot of times there are a lot of products that are ranked 1 million that are still good buys. So I want to go over each and every one of the data points that I took into account before purchasing this product. So it was just another typical day of sourcing. I'm going through the Adidas store scanning different products, and I came across this hoodie, and at first glance I scanned it, and you know, it was ranked 1 million. And I'm going to do a screen share on my phone just to give you guys a better in-depth look at what I was seeing inside of the store. I'll pop that up here on the screen. So I went ahead, scanned this product, and I saw that it was listed at $65, but that rank was 957,000. Typically, those are products that a lot of other Amazon sellers just pass by, right? You don't want to be buying products that are ranked 1 million, but I've seen this hoodie before. I've sold this type of hoodie in the past. I know it's a popular design, and the color's good. The peach color, peach clothing in the women's category sells extremely well, or at least it has for me in the past. So I decided to click in onto the listing to just kind of take a deeper look. And to my surprise, when I clicked in on the listing, I saw that this actual product had 294 reviews. So I was like, you know what? I need to check more into this product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Keepa and check the sales history and the data on Keepa. So I'll kind of show you what I do on my phone here. I go down to the details, I copy the ASIN, and then I go over to Keepa, right? So, and like I said, I'm in the store at this point. I'm doing all of this research in the store. There's other resellers in the store, and they all passed this product. So I kind of wanted to keep it on the down low. I didn't really want to share, you know, my findings of what I was looking into on this product. So I went over to Keepa, I searched this ASIN, right? Because, you know, 294 reviews on a listing isn't a ton, but it's still enough to know that the product has sold pretty well in the past. So when we get over to Keepa, I saw that, you know, there's a couple drops in the sales chart over the last few months. But what I did see is that this product just came into stock for $65, you know, about a month ago, right? And there's only been about 2 drops on the Keepa charts, meaning this is probably sold 2 times for that overall listing. But the gamble I was taking on this product, because I was getting it for 70% off, 18 bucks, right? I just clicked on the all tab so I could see the entire picture of the entire sales history. So we see, you know, in early 2021, Amazon was selling this product, and this got as low in a rank as like down to, so this product at one point was ranked as low as 172,000. Again, not great. Not saying that's a super great rank, but that's still moving, you know, 40, 50, 60 units a month inside of this category. We see Amazon came into stock and they sold out for about $55 a unit. And so what I like to do next is, hey, this product has sold in the past. Let's look more into the data, right? So one thing I like to do is click on the variations, because just because, you know, a listing is selling doesn't mean every single variation has sold. After doing that, I like to head over to the ratings. I like to click the ratings up to the top, so the actual variations with the most ratings will show up, so you can actually see which product is selling the best. And that's when I came across, we can see right here, here is this peach colored hoodie, size large. I had a size large as well, and this had 20 ratings in the past. So again, not a top selling product, but this product has been proven to sold 20 ratings on a variation listing. Especially, it's about 10% of the overall listing. So this might only be moving a few times per month, and it's been out of stock for a long time. Winter's coming up, and I know hoodies are going to be high in demand here within the next month or two because we're heading into October. So this was a product I was willing to take a gamble on and pick up while a lot of other resellers were just skipping right past. And I guarantee you within the next couple of months, this is going to sell for $60. I paid 18 bucks for it, and I'm going to make, $25 a unit. I picked up a few pairs in each different size, so I have about 12 of these on hand. A million ranked product at the moment, but I guarantee you in Q4 these will move. So the moral of the story in this video, and the kind of the key takeaways I want you to have from this entire video, is don't just base your buying decision solely on the rank of a product, especially if you're doing retail arbitrage and you're just scanning stuff really quickly. If you see a product that has a lot of profit, it's always worth it to click in on that listing. Does it have reviews? Is it in stock? A lot of times these products are super high ranked because the product hasn't been in stock for months. Those oftentimes are the best products to buy because a lot of other sellers are skipping right past them because they're in the store, they're scanning these products, they're seeing that high rank, and they're just tossing it to the side. By taking the extra 30 seconds it takes for me to look at the actual listing, how many reviews does it have, check Keepa, I found these products, I picked up 12 of them, and I guarantee I'm going to make $25 profit on each one. That's an extra $300 profit that all the other resellers skip past simply because they didn't want to do an extra 30 seconds of work. So key takeaways from this video: if it's a high rank but you can make a lot of money, check the listing for reviews. If it has reviews, check Keepa. What's the previous sales rank history of that product? Check the seller counts. As the seller counts go up and down, when sellers come in stock, does it quickly sell out? Check the data in the variations tab to see how many actual ratings come for that specific variation before you go ahead and make that buying decision. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button if you like learning about making money online and selling on Amazon. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.